So we have a rope attached to this tree that we're taking down here. That rope goes all the way over to a pulley on that tree back there. Comes all the way back to me here so that I can pull on it as I finish making my back cut. That didn't go as planned. Ooh-yah! So when you look at everything in hindsight, that's where the tree was coming out of. It had a bit of a lean to the right, but my hope was to get it between these two trees, but it ended up getting hung up in that pine tree, so we had to do a little bit of creative work, but ended up getting it out. If I had my hinge steered a little bit more to the left, it might have hit this little pine, but it probably would have come down. But it's a game of inches when you're trying to do a pinch like that. Doesn't always work, especially when we can't go to the left. Thanks for watching.